What up, guys? We're gonna see what we can do with this. Plastic. Plastic! Is this even necessary? What does it do? It's not even on the inside. What does this do? There's plastic everywhere. Lettuce, a bag. Tortillas, a bag. Where we store cheese, a bag. Okay, this is kind of our fault. Bread, a bag. In a bag. More bread, bag. In an identical looking bag. Cake. All I wanted cake, and guess what I got? A bag. Alright, so normally we use a lot of our trash bags, or a lot of these plastic bags, to just put inside of our regular trash cans, but a lot of these bags you can't even use for that. Like, they're way too small, and so we don't really have a lot of use for these. So what we're gonna do is, let me find some scissors, hold on. Put them into little sections. I'm not claiming to have thought of this method, but I stumbled upon this tutorial on YouTube by a mom who was making a bunch of holds for her kids, and I thought I might try it out, let you guys know. Maybe we can sharpen our scissors a little bit. It's always important when sharpening anything to keep it firm on whatever surface. So that's automatically way sharper. Forgot to mention there are about 17 bags that I'm using. That'll be good enough for one climbing hole. It's a good way to reuse the bags instead of just throwing them away. That's why I don't like you getting all those bags when you go to the grocery store, because a lot of times you don't even use them, like the small ones. So we're cutting them up, so hopefully they melt into one piece.
So if you stick to this,
I'm gonna put something down, like I'm gonna use parchment paper to put so it doesn't stick. Once you've got a bunch of ribbons, you're going to want to line a baking sheet with some parchment paper. This is so the plastic doesn't stick to the actual baking sheet. You're going to take your bag, seal it up. Try to get as much air out as you can. We're gonna go take it over to the oven. Here's a 6-minute update. So the oven was set to 375, which is just warm enough so the plastic starts to melt, but not hot enough for it to burn and start releasing toxic fumes. We got one melted little piece, but yeah, look how much it shrunk. But it's all one piece now. It's like just really dense, but it's like hot enough right now where it's melted, and you can form it into whatever shape you want. See, right now I'm starting to just push it, and it'll just stay in the shape. And I don't know if you can hear it, but they're little air pockets, and it's like the kind of the hot air spraying out. You don't want the little air pockets in it, because that's the weak point. So you want to compress everything and get all these pockets out. Well, it's not pretty, but it's something. Definitely homemade. Maybe I'll paint it. So here it is on the wall. I wasn't entirely sure how the texture is going to feel coming off of it, but it feels really good actually. It's pretty smooth. It comes off a little bit once I put weight on it. So I'm thinking maybe this one bolt system, it's not really going to hold it. You could tack in a few deck screws, but it feels pretty good. I want to see how much I can pull on it. Alright, so there you go guys. That was my experiment with making holds from plastic bags. I don't think I'm going to fill my whole wall with these holds. This is more of like a proof of concept kind of thing. I live in an area where you have to pay to even get any plastic bags at grocery stores. But that doesn't stop all of the plastic that you'll end up accumulating over time. Sorry, I'm waiting for the sun to go away. Yeah, as you could see earlier, it doesn't really stop the amount of plastic you get from, you know, takeout, from restaurants. Just like if you were trying to buy any kind of food from a store, a lot of these plastics kind of seem to accumulate. And this is like one way to know that your recycling is actually doing something. So there you go.